I will show you how to post-process the tensile test data. Here is my file, and first of all, this surface area was selected before operation to see the alignment of the sample and the lighting settings of the sample before operation. And we will select again the surface component. So you can see here the length of the video. This is the actual length of the video, and the left side, this is the period before starting the video. So without wasting any time, we will create the surface component. After selecting the surface component, this type of boxes will be popped out. These can be modified by changing the pixels. If you cannot find the desired boxes, you can just modify it. We'll just check it like that. This is the unwanted boxes, so we will deselect that. Right click it and deselect all, and again I will select the gauge length area, and after finishing we will right click it, and this is how the surface component 1 is created. We can also rename it. I will rename it surface 1. Well, you can see the axis. We will modify the axis by 3 to 1. So press Ctrl and press the left key for the key. This is the x-axis to the longitudinal way, and the green axis is the y-axis, the transverse way of the gauge area. So for creating the global area, we will select the cubic, and since the gauge length is 25, so I will make it bigger than the 25 so that it can capture all the area. So apply and pause. For creating the local surface, we will go to the component region. I will rename it as a gauge surface area 1. This is actually the component of surface 1 that defines the local area of the global cube. So this is so much precise than the surface 1, because surface 1 provides us the bigger data. So we will define the strain, and just go to the inspect. This is the red one is the x-axis and green one is the y-axis. So x-axis will provide us the longitudinal strain. We will select the arithmetic mean, and again the reference, and green strain will give us the qualityful data. So here you can see the longitudinal strain to the x-axis. So we will also get the strain to the transverse strain, and if we select this one, we can visualize the changes with colors. And also similarly, like the gauge surface area 1, we'll also select the strain to the longitudinal transverse stress for surface 1, so that we can see the changes of surface 1, actually global area and local area. And we can also export this, and this is the results. So we will see how about the strain. If we go to the video, you can see here the changes. You can see here there is a difference 2.228 and 2.329. This is more accurate of that surface area, and this is the transverse strain, and this is the the longitudinal strain. Well, you can see here. Thank you.